Hello my friends, in this review we'll show you X-BOAT PRO, its new model TVS. It supports LDAC codec, it can work really 5 hours per one charger earbuds and totally 40 hours. And let's check what we have in complete, how it looking for, how it work. Here is parts of complete Type-C cable, but you don't need especially this one. You can use any one, including Type-C to Type-C. You see here LED indicator of charging battery in case, and here are LEDs of indicator level battery exactly in earbuds. Here we have glass which don't get any from your fingers, no dirty from your fingers. So let's connect them to my smartphone. That's cool, you can one hand operation, put it in your ear by one hand, no need two hands. So I think they are already connected. Yes, we see this LDAC. We can use it or not use. If you, in this case, you will have ordinary CBS, but LDAC is better if you want to high quality of sound. They work by one click for level of music up or level down, double click for start stop play music, triple click for ANC. That's cool in this format out TVS, not inside models. I want to show you them with some other my models which I use. So let's compare them with some other TVS model. It's Strong Smart inside inner model, and this one this one 3 in bottom, all are in air, and only those two TVS from Yobybo are out here and at least really fit, really thin, not fit, just see. So as you see, there are not those kind TVS models which would be more comfortable than inside. What maybe not good in this case, in this format, it means that you can lose them, or also would be not so good level isolated of volume from outside. But for this 1 second we have ANC, active noise cancelling, and for more cool fix it in your ear, you have those parts. So if you're interested to know more about them, in description would be a link for my text review, and also would be link for the official site Yobybo. I will put links in description, and I recommend maybe them if you're looking for exactly those type of TVS. There are not a lot of them on the market, and it can be interesting if you want it. And in near future would be review of the bicycle LED flashlight. If you interested in it, you can put like, subscribe for my channel. We will compare No Name, Phoenix, and copy of Phoenix. I think would be interesting. In a couple days will be reviews. That's all. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.